weather as usual, shit. Yeah. I'll edit that part out and we'll just put some sound over it. Alrighty. Okay, Gong Cam 2007. Alright guys, so Team St Vincent's here we go. Let's check out these logos. And the sponsor, pretty good. Turn around, just, oh look at that, eh? Pretty good. Excellent. Hey guys, how we going? Welcome to Gong Cam. I'd have to eventually. You guys want to do that? Hang on, we've got a camera. Hey Anna, how's it going? No, of course it's not on.
Fine, I feel great. It's in
Bloody traffic, my goodness. So why are we doing this again?
One, where it is. Two, raise money.
Excellent.
Three,
Just need some words about the ride up the hill. How was it?
great. We made it to the top without getting off. That's the biggest challenge. Now we've got one more, and then probably another 5 after that, but we think we're one at a time. It's beautiful at the top.
That's a great view, isn't it? Alright, we're gonna get all the way up there. My goodness.
Me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate. Break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way.
Alright, so how's it going?
Good.
How was the ride so far?
Really good. I've left a couple to go ahead.
Yeah.
Having a bit of a breather and look at the view.
Good idea, it's a great day.
It is.
I'm glad the weather changed.
This morning.
Yeah, you guys abandoned me.
Did we?
Yeah.
Right at the start.
I think it was all too cold, everyone wanted to get going, which is fair enough, quite understandable.
Yes, there was a little bit of a rush to go. So.
Yeah. I'm glad the weather's turned out. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Sort of sunnies, but there you go.
Come on, sprint finish! So how was it, Gary?
Oh, was that video? Ah, good, good. I'm very, very pleased with my time today, but I cannot wait to get a beer and a steak in the video.
And how about you?
I'm doing well. It was a good ride.
Good ride.
Absolutely amazing, fantastic ride. I couldn't recommend it highly enough.
And you do it next year?
Yeah, I think I probably would.
Excellent.
And I am too sexy for Milan.
look.